morning, losers. Kidding. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. 29th of December. Shit. Okay. 29th December. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. Oh, I did. Had the day off. Lovely duck and backstraps, some veggies, and a bit of eggnog, a bit of rum, and a bit of rum, a bit more rum. It was a good day. Yeah, just back pushing more snow. I'm going to move that. See, I'm off my ugly face. Just trying to straighten up this slot here. I don't have much luck. Yeah, so had a couple of really windy, zero visibility days the last couple of days, so haven't been able to do anything on the GoPro, but we're back to it. And now I've got no GPS fix. Okay, stop. Alright, lucky I can see today. Yeah, so just pushing more snow. Got scrapers over there, working away, dragging it away. Self Ash and Jimmy in the dozers, push, push, push. So this is what we do when we don't have any airplanes. Push snow. These 7 next gen dozers, they go alright. As you've probably seen with my previous videos, usually I have numbers here, but I've got no GPS, so I've got no numbers, which doesn't matter, I can see anyway. So another year nearly done. This is nearly it. It's been an interesting year. Just another year. Anyways, don't have too much to report today, just pushing snow and pushing snow. And pushing more snow. Was going to have GoPro set up outside today, but couldn't find a mountain bracket for it. So on the head it goes. Snow off a tractor. Some music.
All by myself.
Keith Urban. Up and do it all again. It's very thrilling stuff. Very thrilling. As you can see, it's nice clear day. Oh, I've got numbers. Yay! Cool. How is everyone? What's everyone's resolution for the new year? I ain't got one. shouldering on. Do what I gotta do. Just do what we gotta do, eh? When I'm reversing up, we try to run over our windrows on the side, crush up any boulders. I know it's only snow, but you get untidy by the end of the push. So I'm just going to take a bit of this wall out because this slot's a bit like a banana at the moment. Try and straighten that up. Not having much luck. Now I'll be able to straighten it up wherever it comes in beside me. Oh. Push! Everybody get behind me, give me a push. I think we got, how much more we got to push? We got the scrapers over there. We've got about maybe a K to go. It's not too bad, I think. It's going to be about a 3K airstrip. It's actually starting to get on top of things now. Been able to finish off the last kilometre of airstrip. Had to clear the snow off it. Ideally we're pushing this snow away from the airstrip so that it limits the snow blowing back onto the airstrip when we start flying again, and also helps us, makes it easier for us to clear the airstrip after winter next season. This season we had a bit of a delay in getting our flight in, the first flight, due to overabundance of snow on the airstrip. They just couldn't clear it in time, so hopefully with us pushing all this snow away